Ever stare at a mountain of receipts and invoices, desperately wishing there was a magic button to organize your business finances? Enter QuickBooks, the software that promises to transform financial chaos into a streamlined system. But here's the rub. QuickBooks can be intimidating, especially for those without an accounting background. So, the burning question: can you, a brave entrepreneur with a thirst for financial clarity, teach yourself this beast of a program? The answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced "it depends." Why you might be a QuickBooks prodigy? Let's face it, some people have a natural knack for numbers. Maybe you balanced your family budget with the precision of a Swiss watch, or perhaps you aced that high school accounting class. If you enjoy spreadsheets and find logical systems calming, then conquering QuickBooks could be a breeze. The power of free resources. The internet is a treasure trove of free QuickBooks tutorials. From beginner guides to in-depth walkthroughs, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped. YouTube channels like Insert Popular QuickBooks YouTube channel name offer fantastic visual demonstrations, while websites like Insert Popular QuickBooks Resource website name boast comprehensive written guides. QuickBooks isn't rocket science most of the time. At its core, QuickBooks isn't rocket science. You're essentially organizing income, expenses, and tracking customer and vendor activity. The software itself offers intuitive prompts and helpful features to guide you through common tasks. But there's a caveat. While the basics might be learnable, QuickBooks has some complexities lurking beneath the surface. Advanced features like inventory management, payroll integration, and complex reporting can leave even the most determined self-learner scratching their head. Here's where the "it depends" part kicks in. Are you a solopreneur or running a complex business? If you're a solopreneur with a straightforward business model, the core functionalities of QuickBooks might be enough. But as your business grows, so do your accounting needs. Intricate inventory systems, managing a team, or dealing with international transactions, these all require a deeper understanding of the software. The risk of mistakes. A costly affair. One of the biggest downsides of self-learning is the potential for costly mistakes. Miscategorizing income or expenses can throw off your financial reports, leading to bad decision-making. In the worst-case scenario, errors might even attract unwanted attention from the taxman. Help when you need it. Even the most dedicated self-learner runs into roadblocks. Luckily, there are resources available when you get stuck. QuickBooks offers in-app support features, and their website has a searchable knowledge base. But these resources might not always be enough for complex queries. The case for the professional. Here's where the idea of a professional accountant or QuickBooks expert comes in. They can not only help you set up the software correctly, but also offer ongoing guidance as your business evolves. They can be your safety net, ensuring your financials are accurate and providing valuable insights to help you make informed business decisions. So, can you teach yourself QuickBooks? The answer is maybe. It depends on your comfort level with numbers, the complexity of your business, and your tolerance for risk. If you're a numbers whiz with a simple business model, give self-learning a shot. Utilize free resources and be patient with the learning curve. For more complex situations, consider professional help. A good accountant can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress in the long run. Remember, accurate financials are the lifeblood of any business. Choose the path that empowers you to take control and gain the financial clarity you deserve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.